everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's videos for class 12 from the D block, D and F block elements. It has much higher atomic radius. It has much higher atomic radius and ionization enthalpy. इनकी जो एटॉमिक रेडियस होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है एंड आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी भी क्या होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी द अमाउंट ऑफ द एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रिमूव एन इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम इट्स outermost shell is known as the ionization enthalpies. And now the next is its compounds white while those of the other member are colored. इसके जो कंपाउंड्स होते हैं वो मोस्टली कैसे कलर के होते हैं, वाइट कलर के होते हैं. बाकी जितने भी अदर मेंबर्स हैं उनके कंपाउंड्स क्या होते हैं, कलर्ड कंपाउंड्स होते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज it does not show variable oxidation state. It does not show variable oxidation state unlike other members. ये वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट को शो नहीं करते अदर मेंबर्स की तरह. इट्स कंपाउंड्स आर diamagnetic while those of the other members are paramagnetic. Others members have the unfilled d subcells, so they have the paramagnetic nature. But zinc, cadmium, and mercury have the completely filled d orbitals and s orbitals. So the nature of these compounds are mostly diamagnetic. And these are the exceptional behavior of zinc, cadmium, and mercury. That it has जो zinc, cadmium, and mercury have higher atomic radius and high ionization enthalpy. And the compounds of the zinc, cadmium, and mercury are mostly white, while the compounds of the other members of the transition elements are colored. And it does not show variable oxidation state. Their common oxidation state is +2. Zinc also show the +2 oxidation state. Cadmium show +2 oxidation state, and mercury is also show +2 oxidation states. and its compounds are diamagnetic while those of the other members are paramagnetic. Other members of the transition elements are paramagnetic due to the unpaired of electrons, but zinc, cadmium and mercury are the diamagnetic nature due to the paired electrons. The next is electronic configuration of the first transition element. Electronic configuration of first transition element. Now here the first transition element is from scandium to zinc. Now here first is scandium. Here we see right element, symbol, atomic number and electronic configuration. Now here scandium, the symbol of the scandium is Sc and the atomic number of the scandium is 21. We can write electronic configuration of any element with the Hausboff principles. So we can fill here electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and here 3d1. Now here this is the series to write the electronic configuration. It is a आगे भी है ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सीरीज की. इसके लिए अगर आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किसी भी एलिमेंट्स का राइट डाउन करना नहीं आता तो इसके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो बनाई हुई है, सुपर डुपर ट्रिक फॉर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. तो आप वहाँ वीडियोस के अंदर जाके उसको देख सकते हो, सुपर डुपर ट्रिक्स टू फाइंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विद ट्रिक. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन राइट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिc configuration for the scandium is here the atomic number is 21. Now the number of electron is 21. Here the S sub shall have maximum 2 electron, P shall have maximum 6 electron and D shall maximum 10 electron. But now from here there are the 20 electrons are complete. So here 21 electrons, so 1 electron goes in the 3d1. And second is titanium. Now the symbol is Ti. Atomic number is 22. Now here the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and here is 3d2. Now the next is vanadium. Vanadium. Now the symbol is V. Atomic number is 23. Now here the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d3. Now the next is chromium. The symbol of chromium is Cr and the atomic number of this is 24 and here the exceptional case. So from here the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. This is the exceptional case. Here the S subshell gives 1 electron to the D subshell for the symmetry and the exchange of energy. We will discuss in the next video. Next is manganese. Now the symbol is Mn and the atomic number is 25. Here the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d5. Now here this is the electronic configuration of the manganese 2 to 4, 4 और 4, 20 and 25. ठीक है. And next is iron. The symbol of the iron is Fe and the atomic number of iron is 26. Here the electronic configuration of this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and here 3d6. Now the next is cobalt. The symbol of cobalt is Co. Now the atomic number is 27. Here the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and here 3d, 6, 4 and 3d7. Now nickel. Now the symbol of nickel is Ni and the atomic number of the nickel is 28. When we write electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d8. And copper. This is also a exceptional case. The symbol of copper is Cu and the atomic number of copper is 29. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10. Now zinc. The symbol of zinc is Zn and the atomic number of this is 30. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d10. Now this is the electronic configuration of zinc. Here in the first transition series, chromium and copper have the exceptional case, and we will discuss in the next video why chromium and copper have the electronic configuration is 4s1 and 3d10. एंड आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.